Hello y'all, and welcome to the channel. This is going to be the second video on the little practice boards I've been doing that I got from Temu. This one is voice activated chasing lights. If y'all don't mind, hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me a ton. I am trying to grow the channel. I'm going to do giveaways and stuff, but I can't do that until I get monetized. Alright, now on to the board.
So the last kit introduced us to basically the resistors and switches and LEDs and the barrel plugs. This one has a little bit more to it. It has a couple of capacitors, resistors, a transistor, an IC chip, a microphone, and LEDs. And the good thing is that they use a stand for the IC chip, so you don't have to worry about overheating the IC chip by accident, since it is practice. So I didn't really pay attention to the circuit board, but there was a sticker on the back that was keeping me from getting that little riser. So once we got the sticker off, it went right in and we soldered it. Alright, so my portable soldering iron for some reason keeps turning itself off right as it gets to temperature. I'll have to figure that one out. I'll get another one. Well, we're just going to have to use the clunky beast again and make do. And I do have to say, back in the 70s, it was a hell of a lot easier to solder stuff than boards because they were a lot bigger. These little small boards with the little small contacts make it quite difficult for somebody like me that have a hard time seeing up close now. I do have a magnifying glass coming though, and that should help. It also looks like the contacts on these, the foil, doesn't accept the solder very well. It is a little bit more of a challenge, but it makes you learn. The only thing that this kit did not come with was either a battery box or some type of power supply, but you can just use an old USB cable, cut it, and use the red wire and the ground for your power. And this one operates between 3 to 5 volts. I went back over the contacts, soldered just to make sure they have a good contact. Without a good contact, the IC chip won't work right, and it won't do what we want it to. So the next step we're going to do is put the resistors in. We are actually working from the center out, so that way it's easier to solder all the components on, and they don't get in the way of each other. And once you do enough soldering, you'll actually be able to tell how hot your contact is, and if it actually is a good solder joint just by the way it sucks the solder into the joint. Next, we throw in the capacitors. They are polarized. Make sure you put the positive in the right spot. The good thing about this little circuit board, it actually gives you the values of each component for each spot, so you don't get
Sometimes
confused.
I get so mad, there's no
just make
control
sure
in me. My
that you
thoughts
read
get so bad, I'm like,
and put the right
might grab
component
a
in
bat,
the
I
right
don't know,
spot.
my rap,
One
my
is a
blood
1
boils over like,
picofarad, I believe.
oh
The
God,
other
here
one's a
goes. I
big
lost all feeling
100
from my head to my
picofarad.
toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just
Once
stay
you
tuned
have
for
your
the
leads
rest of the
soldered,
show.
make sure you trim the leads up as you go along. Makes it easier to get the other components on. This is from somebody that's grew up with electronics all his life. I can tell you one thing, that electronics have improved probably 1,000-fold since the 70s. It is amazing how powerful electronics are nowadays. It's like in CPUs, we went from 2,300 transistors up to billions of transistors in this single CPU. Alright, install the mic. You don't have to worry about polarity on that. And then the transistor, and you want to make sure the flat side is matching the picture. It's like that phone in your pocket. That phone is about 1,000 times more powerful than that took us to the moon. technology is
I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Hidden up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me.
Information
Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
AI is why RAM prices are so expensive, but I can't make any computers right now. Besides, it's not all it's cracked up to be, and eventually the bubble will burst and hopefully prices will go back down. My next step was to put the LEDs in there. I did it at a time just to make it easier. Don't get me wrong, AI does serve purposes, it does have uses, but just not every freaking thing like they want to do it now. And it needs to be implemented smartly, not like they're trying to do now, which is shocking to happen everywhere. But the one good thing is that AI does not have a conscience yet, because if that happens, we're probably going to be screwed because it's going to take over and destroy us. So my last step was to cut a USB cord and take one end of it and solder it to the board. That way I had a 5-volt source. Put the IC in its socket. And as I've said before, you could also use a battery box, 2 AAAs, 3 AAAs. It works between 3 to 5 volts. Just don't go over that, and you're good to go. All we have to do now is to test it out. The mic sends a signal to the IC. It in turn changes the output and changes the LED, and that's how you get the chasing effect. And the longer you blow on the mic, the more it will chase.
Thank y'all for watching. This is going to be a little short series of boards that I've gotten from Temu, lining up to a sonic water drop suspension board. It's kind of cool. Stay tuned, and y'all have a good day.